My name is Pastor Patrick Philip Mugadza, and as you can see with me, I have got a pot and also a fishing line. What am I doing here? I'm here to demonstrate, to say this pool of water used to be called a pothole, but I'm not so sure if it is still a pothole. I am putting it down to say that you need over 50 of this for it to be called a pothole. It cannot be like that anymore. This is now a fishing pond, and I am telling you to say that Zimbabwe is going to be moving from potholes to fishing ponds, and very, very soon we are not going to be having roads in the nation of Zimbabwe. So I am telling you, Zimbabwe, to say it is up to you, it is up to me, for us to have a real Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwe which we all want, and Zimbabwe which we are going to be all very much proud of. So I'm saying to you, demand the BVR. The nation is so much in pain, and we cannot continue in this state anymore. We cannot afford to have our vote in 2018 being stolen by the Boko Haram regime. So we need to stand up together and begin to demand the BVR. I want to tell you, Zimbabwe, to say that with God nothing is impossible. We will get to where we need to.